and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to set up temporary disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So, if you'd also like to go ahead and do so in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. You can start by opening up the WhatsApp application on your device for that. And then once you open up WhatsApp, what you can do is you can tap on the group chat or the individual chat that you want to enable the disappearing messages for. So for example, let's say this is the chat I would like to enable it. So what you can do is you can basically tap on the name, contact's name, or the group name at the top of the screen to view the info screen. After you tap on it, you may just scroll down and find the section for disappearing messages and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and click on OK, and you can read the terms what it will do when you turn it on. After you do so, here you can select the desired duration. For example, 24 hours, 7 days, and up to 90 days. Now, what you can do is if you have selected 24 hours, your messages will disappear automatically after the chosen time. You can even try setting up a default message timer. Tap on it, and you can set up your default message timer. And when turned on, all the new individual chats will start with disappearing messages set to the duration that you have selected. And the setting will not affect your existing chat. And that's it. Once you confirm it up, it should be turned on, and it gives you a notification saying that you have updated the messages timer. And that way, your temporary disappearing messages has been set on your WhatsApp application. So that is it. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching this video.